I've been driving down this lonely road tonight, with your memory riding by my side. Heard some rumors, said you found someone new, but this old heart still belongs to you. Cold wind blowing through this empty town, neon lights, but you're not around. I reach for you, but you're miles away, just a ghost at the end of every day. So I whisper a prayer to the night above, hoping you still feel my love. Are you thinking of me tonight, underneath that same pale light? I'm counting stars by this old back road, with a heart too heavy to hold. There's nothing left for me to do but sit here and keep loving you. Your touch ain't here to ease my pain, no porch light shining in the rain. This shoulder ain't where you can lean, like it was in our old dreams. Are you thinking of me tonight, underneath that same pale light? I'm counting stars by this old back road, with a heart too heavy to hold. There's nothing left for me to do but sit here and keep loving you. Got your picture on my dashboard still, next to a half-empty bottle I can't refill. Every song on that old FM just brings me back to you again. Yeah, this heart inside my chest still holds your love, won't let it rest. I fell in love with you. I gave my all, my body and soul. I let them fall. I trusted you with everything I had, but you turned away and chose another man. Now I'm standing here with empty hands, trying to understand what I don't understand. The love you gave just slipped away, like it was never meant to stay. Now regret is all I've ever known, a lonely heart turned cold as stone. It's too late to make things right. left to dry. Petals fall, no reason why. Once I bloomed in your warm embrace, now I'm just lost without a trace. Will the sun still rise for me again? Or am I trapped in this endless pain? I leave it all to the Lord above to heal this broken heart of love. Now regret is all I've ever known, a lonely heart turned cold as stone. It's too late to make things right. I lost your love in the dead of night. Regret is mine, I can't deny. Too late, I'm left to cry. The moon is shining soft tonight on this old country road. Your hand is gently holding mine, like it did so long ago. We talk about those younger days and dreams we left behind. But darling, you're still beautiful, and you're still on my mind. Through every mile, through every year, you're the reason I'm still here. Oh, time rolls on like a midnight train, through the sunshine and the rain. But this heart of mine still beats for you, and I know it won't change. When I look into your eyes, I see truth that never dies, just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. We've walked through fire, we've walked through storms, through laughter and through tears. We build a life on trust and faith, through all these faithful years. No words could ever say enough for what you mean to me. You're the answer to my prayers, you're my everything. Every road just led me home to the love I've always known. Oh, time rolls on like a midnight train, through the sunshine and the rain. But this heart of mine still beats for you, and I know it won't change. When I look into your eyes, I see truth that never Every beat inside my chest calls your name again and again. And when I look into your eyes, I see forever in disguise. Just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. Yeah, memories in your eyes. That's where my whole world lies, till the day I say goodbye. I'll be yours for all my life. The moon is shining soft tonight on this old country road. Your hand is gently holding mine, like it did so long ago. We talk about those younger days and dreams we left behind. But darling, you're still beautiful, and you're still on my mind. Through every mile, through every year, you're the reason I'm still here. Oh, time rolls on like a midnight train, through the sunshine and the rain. But this heart of mine still beats for you, and I know it won't change. When I look into your eyes, I see truth that never dies. Just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. We've walked through fire, we've walked through storms, through laughter and through tears. We build a life on trust and faith, through all these faithful years. No words could ever say enough for what you mean to me. You're the answer to my prayers, you're my everything. Every road just led me home to the love I've always known. Oh, time rolls on like a midnight train, through the sunshine and the rain. But this heart of mine still beats for you, and I know it won't change. When I look into your eyes, I see truth that never dies. Just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. I've seen the world, I've felt the pain, but I'd choose you all again. If I had just one life to live, I'd still be loving you like this. Yeah, time rolls on like a midnight train, but my love will stay the same. Every beat inside my chest calls your name again and again. When I look into your eyes, I see forever That's where my whole world lies, till the day I say goodbye. I'll be yours for all my life. Ever since the day I met you, my love, I just can't find my peace. Thoughts of you keep running through my mind. They never seem to cease. No matter where I go these days, your face is all I see. Every little memory keeps on haunting me. Even when I close my eyes at night, you're in my dreams somehow. All I've ever wished for is to have you with me now. I keep asking my heart what it found in you, but when you're here beside me, my whole world feels so true. Why do I love you so much? I just can't understand. Your warm and tender embrace still lingers in my somehow. My heart won't let you go. Since the day you came into my life, nothing feels the same. Every road I travel now leads me to your name. Your memory keeps shining like a light I can't outrun. You're the only reason still keep loving you. When love is softly calling you in the quiet of the night, and someone's eyes are telling you that everything feels right, if you're still feeling unsure inside, don't know what to do, just hold her close and listen well. Love will speak to you. The voice of love will guide you like a lonely melody. It will tell you if her heart is true, and if she's meant to be. You don't have to doubt her when her love is strong and true. Just listen for the voice of love, and it will lead you through. A tender sigh can sound so sweet, like a promise in the air. But sometimes words can fool the heart and leave it in despair. So don't give all your love away until you clearly know that what she feels is real inside, and not just for a show. The voice of love will guide you through the dark and through the blue. It will whisper in your heart what is honest and what's true. When her eyes are softly shining and her touch is warm and kind, listen for the voice of love, and peace you'll surely find. Love don't shout, it softly sings in a gentle, honest tone. It tells you when to hold her close or when to walk alone. The voice of love will call to you when it's pure and when it's right. It will stay beside your heart through every lonely night. If she loves you like she said she does, you'll feel it deep above. Just open up your heart and hear the voice of love. Yes, open up your heart